In this video, I'll show you how to send files on Discord, that is on PC. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of videos and guides and contents like this. Now, you need to be logged into your Discord, right? And for you to be able to send files can be in the form of a text, a video, an image, right? A lot of things. So what we're going to do right now, I'm going to click on this plus icon, right? Upload a file. So from the option, you can either upload a video, a picture, or anything you want to upload. So I want to upload a picture. I'm gonna click on this right now. Yeah, so I'll click on the open. So I want to send this image. I'm gonna click the enter button. You can see I just sent this image right here. So this is how you can send files on Discord. If you find it today helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. I will see you friends in the next one.